Hi friends! It's time to set up my living room, starting with my beautiful white curtain, my pink sofa, and now it's time for the pillows. Alright, and now let's add this green tray for books and magazines. Warm blue carpet, my beautiful yellow flowers, and this fluffy smoke out, which I use as a table. And voila! Now it's time for my beautiful red kitchen. This super cool pink carpet, and of course I'll need a fridge. One chair, two chairs, and of course a table. Let's put a tablecloth and these beautiful fresh flowers. And we're ready setting up my living room. I hope you like it. And here I am. Hi guys! I was in the grocery shop and I bought a lot of things. And remember to use cloth bags instead of plastic. We have to be responsible and try not to pollute the planet. And now let's put these heavy bags on the table. Alright, and now let's open my fridge. Yeah, I know it's empty, but don't worry, now we're gonna fill it to the top. Alright, let's start with the vegetables. These two drawers are for the vegetables and the fruits. We have fresh lettuce, tomatoes, corn cob, and radish. In the second drawer stay the fruits. We have grapes, oranges, and sweet strawberries. Oh, perfect! And now let's go on. Let's see. Oh, these are the drinks. We have grape flavored one, cherry flavored, and this one has a taste of orange. We also have eggs and my favorite yellow cheese. This is a snack pack with puddings. Banana cream pie flavored. And I also bought my favorite with chocolate and vanilla. Yummy, yummy. And down here I keep the sweets. Oh, these delicious donuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the second drawer stay the sweet macaroons. I also bought these delicious cooked vegetables for tonight's dinner. These are my favorite sausages for hot dogs. Tomato ketchup, a tin with pasta sauce, big bottle of milk, one more, fresh eggs, vegetable oil spread for my toast in the mornings, whipped cream, this yummy raspberry pie. That's my favorite cheese, this big lump of butter, and let's see. Oh, there's nothing left. That means we're ready. My fridge is full of vegetables, fruits, beverage, and all other kinds of delicious food. Remember that eating healthy food is really important. Now I'm going to have a rest. Bye bye guys! have to close the fridge.